Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Zomato account. So first we're going to go to the Zomato app. So as you can see we have 4 ways to sign in. You have the Google account, the Apple account, your mail as well as your phone number. I personally chose my Apple account, but you guys could choose either of the 3. Then as you can see, once it's loading, it's going to tell you to insert the location. You guys can insert any location you want, but it must be compatible with the app. For example, I chose India. That's not currently working there, but you guys could change it later. Or you could use your current location. So as you can see, we've created our account. That's how we basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.